For users using the simple view, they will have tabs at the top here: newsfeed, charts, price, and alerts. They are shown one widget at a time. So as we can see here, we have the newsfeed widget on at the moment. If one were to click chart, it would load the chart. This is basically not to overwhelm people and to keep it nice and precise and allow users to just see exactly what they're looking for. So basically, if you click on alerts, prices, newsfeed, that is all that the users will see on their platform. To keep it simple, and you could always toggle between simple mode and then to advanced mode by the click of a button, and you'll be able to see a lot more information on your screen.